OvrC, Control4 integrator change. In this video, we'll show you how to change a customer's Control4 integrator. This procedure should only be carried out at the customer's request. Once it's done, you'll be able to manage the customer's OvrC account, access the installation remotely in the event of problems and assign 4 sites to the customer. Here are the steps we will follow. 1. Change Smart Home Pro. 2. Import into OvrC. 1. Changing Smart Home Pro. This operation must be carried out by the customer in person after being informed by the integrator that he will become its customer for all Control4 questions. Go to https://customer.control4.com. Use the same identifiers as for the Control4 application on a smartphone or tablet. In the top menu, click on My Account. Then select Smart Home Pro. Click on Change My Pro. A search bar will appear. Simply enter the name of the new integrator and launch the search. Select the name of the new integrator and you're done. Two. Import into OvrC. You can use the OvrC Pro Hub to retrieve all the devices in your customer's installation from OvrC. You can buy this product on our shop. This device can be used for several customers. All you have to do is remove it from your customer's OvrC account when the switchover is complete. This is a tool that we advise our integrators to always have to hand. To switch integrators, create an OvrC account for your customer. Then add a device. You will need to add it manually by typing in its MAC address, then its service tag. This is the serial number. You can find this information directly on the OvrC Pro Hub or on its packaging. Once this has been done and the device has been connected to your customer's network, you can run a scan. All the devices will show up on your customer's account. You will also be able to upload the configuration of the Wi-Fi access points. Only the device identifiers will not be uploaded. Depending on these, you can either reset the admin password, or factory reset the device, or contact the former integrator to recover these identifiers. Thank you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to be notified of new videos. You can also find all our products and other tutorials on our website.